88 Mustang GT. It's been 19 years. Will it crank up? Let's find out. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh man. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are finally not talking about the SSP. I'm mixing up the content for you lately. What we're doing is a little bit of a different project. I've had this car on the channel before. I'm out here at Fox Mustang Restoration, in case you don't recognize all these vehicles where I'm at, but this is what they call Scarlet, which I believe is an 88 GT, but we're gonna see if we can actually get it started and running. Matt thinks it might run. It is a 5-speed. Pretty much all original car, even has the date-coded spark plug wires. So Matt's gonna get out here. He's a co-owner of Fox Mustang Restoration, see if we can get it going. We're gonna clean it up and see how far we can get to actually starting it today. Also, Jen is the other co-owner here at Fox Mustang Restoration, and she is also gonna be helping out with this. And we might see Tiffany too. So a lot going on today, but let's see if we can get this, to borrow a phrase from Cobras, LXs, and GTs, see if we can get this old girl running. Let's find out. Okay, so Matt just stole the battery from the van.
A little bit more cranking amps.
You tried another battery, right?
Yeah,
already?
I tried my computer test battery and it just didn't have enough juice in it.
Did you hear it try to turn over though at all?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
I've heard this whole car turn over.
Nice.
It will turn over.
Okay.
That's not a problem. I don't think it's gonna start, so I need to get it moved. And instead of towing it with the van, I'm gonna try to bypass this neutral safety switch.
Okay.
And leave it in gear and hopefully drive it back there with the starter.
Wow.
I'm doing the bypass because I want to drive it in, I want to start it in gear so the starter actually moves the car, but you have to have the clutch down to start the car. So I have to bypass that safety switch to be able to actually spin it over in gear.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing that.
I mean, you're working outside, so it doesn't really matter. So Matt's running off to get some more air for the car because I think basically all the tires are flat. He heard what he was doing, right? I've never seen that done before. So that'll be interesting to see if it cranks. I fully believe in him because he knows what he's doing, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just here along for the ride. But she names all the cars here. So you probably heard the word Peaches like a million times on this channel if you're regular on the channel. That's what she named their 90 SSP that they drive around all the time. But she has named this car Scarlet. It isn't just Scarlet. The cars all came from Georgia. You know, we had Peaches, we had Cream. This is how inventive Jen is. This is Scarlet O'Hara, see? So if you guys don't know what that is, I forgot, but let's go on with the wind, famous line.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give it.
That's the idea behind the name. I actually need a name for the SSP. I've just been calling it the SSP. So if you guys have any good suggestions on that, we'll see what happens when Matt comes back.
What I'm doing, this is my start, this is my little jumper switch. It's a little just...
Oh, okay. You know what? You did use that on my car before. I forgot about it.
This is how we found out that your injectors were dumping fuel
Dumping fuel over the... Yeah. So I said I've never seen this before. I saw it like 8 months ago. I just didn't know what it was doing.
I gotta go. Got something. It'd be nice if you guys push.
Yeah, we might have to push, yeah. So this is like pop the clutch type?
No, it's way worse than that.
Okay.
It's not even pop the clutch. It's just use the starter to drive the car.
Use the starter to drive the car.
I'm literally turning the engine over with the starter, leaving the transmission engaged so it turns the wheels so I can move it.
Okay, so the car won't actually crank over.
No, it's not.
The starter is literally running the car.
If it cranks over, it's going to be super surprising to me.
Okay.
All right. I don't expect it to, but you never know. It might try. All right. Here we go.
I think we have a problem. Yeah. I'm guessing something having. Oh, look, there it is moving.
So with a little bit of a push, we could probably.
All right. We got to push, guys. I'm just glad we didn't walk over a snake. Like, I didn't really think about that, but.
Oh, there's my tow strap.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look, you got a tow strap. Been looking for that.
I have been. I'll just leave it hooked up.
So literally, you guys, I don't know if you heard that crank it, but the starter was moving the car. Jen and I were pushing. So when you were saying that earlier, I thought like somehow he's gonna jump it from the starter. I didn't get it, so I got it now.
I was gonna drive the car with the starter.
And you literally did.
Yeah, that's what I said.
All right, maybe I'll try in that Tar Heel. Time to push.
Try this again. Here we go. Yeah, I might try to drive it out there with carburetor cleaner.
Matt has a different idea now. He thinks we're actually gonna maybe try to start it.
Yeah, now that we saw that we had spark.
Yeah. What you have to do is put a cold air intake, right? That's how you solve most problems.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do.
30 more horsepower too. It might start, so don't stand in front of it.
All right.
I'm pretty sure I got it out of gear, but let's just be careful. We're gonna try this first.
So you spraying some, what is that, brake cleaner?
Yeah, we'll try brake cleaner first. Usually I'd use carburetor cleaner. See what happens. Don't get in front of the car.
All right. Oh, I hear it. It almost cranked, guys.
What was it, 24 years it's been sitting?
Yes.
24 years. Will it start? Holy cow, you're kidding me.
There we
You
go.
just got to apply the gas.
Yeah.
It'll keep running.
Yeah. So if somebody wants to drive it, I'll spray carburetor cleaner
Okay.
or brake cleaner in there.
That's all you got to do. Has it really been 24 years?
I really think it has, yeah.
Wow. Wow, that is amazing, guys. This car just started up.
We'll change, I mean the registration, I think.
Yeah. It's at least 20 for sure, so wow. That's crazy, Jen.
The years faded out.
That's nuts.
The years faded out on the...
As long as the transmission doesn't have to rebuild, this car might be just fine.
yeah, just fuel system and, you know...
Yeah. Sensors and stuff, I'm
fluid,
sure, are dead.
sensors, tune-up, belt, stuff like that. Let's see here.
This has me thinking about that rust bucket in there, Matt.
Let's see here.
Maybe I should dump that rust bucket.
Okay, not quite that long. 2001, so 19 years.
Okay, all right. We were close to 20. But yeah, I know I've got a rust bucket inside, so maybe I should get this one instead. All right, now they're doing a team effort thing, guys, so we'll see.
Now, also, hey,
Yeah.
watch out, Matt. Try not to get too close to the side of that car. This is the belt and fan assembly from 19 years ago.
Oh, okay.
And it's really,
it totally won't fly off,
really
right?
rusted up and ate up, so with
All right.
the car running, it might throw.
This could be a very interesting video, guys.
Are you ready? Yeah. Here we go. Oop, I have to let it go. I double tapped to start. Wrong.
He did the
trigger
double
finger.
tap. All right, give it gas, give it gas. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh,
I
wow.
got black stuff on my face.
You got a little bit.
It just
not a ton.
backfired to the intake.
Okay.
All right, so maybe don't use the throttle.
All right, we're not using throttle now.
All right.
Oh, flying everywhere. Hey, that's pretty good.
That's how you do it.
Nice work, Jen. That's bad.
All right.
Plus those flying.
I ran out of gas. I gotta go get another can.
Jen, you did a good job. It was so funny, like when the car, you've really got it moving, Matt was like running along the side. I'm trying to run and catch up. All right, Matt got more gas. Matt, can we show him what gas
Yep,
we're
I
using
got
here? This
gas.
is 93 or, yeah, look at that.
It's like 110, I think.
110. This is awesome. You got to see this though.
All right, here we go.
Watch how they drive the car. It's awesome.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, it tends to like shoot stuff from the engine bay.
Oh, the belt came apart.
I was gonna say, yeah, I started running away.
It wrapped around the water pump.
Belt's a little shredded, guys, but got it where you wanted it, I guess.
Yeah, worked out.
All right, so this is what you should normally do at home, right?
Exactly.
Don't try this at
Can
home.
of gas in your car.
Yeah. This gas is, I don't know, it's pretty expensive per gallon, but good job, Jen.
Thanks. This is how we do burnouts here.
Yeah. Yeah, with Matt right here.
Wow, dude, that engine didn't tick once.
It
That
sounded
is
good.
literally the first start it had in 19 years was on camera.
It sounded good.
It didn't.
I didn't think it would start.
Nothing. I thought for sure it would have had like
Yeah.
the lifter have to pump up.
I think the price just went up, guys. Just saying. Just guessing. As you saw, it cranked up after 19 years. That's pretty cool. What Jen and I are going to do now is we're going to go ahead and try to clean her up. Again, we're getting her ready for auction. You said no reserve when it goes up? All right, no reserve when it goes up. I will let you guys know on the channel when that's happening. Matt's not helping us. He's working on another project, so we're just going to put you guys in a time lapse and let's see what it looks like. So this is before. You'll see after in just a little bit. First bath after 19 years, and actually came out a lot better than I thought it would. A little bit on the roof here, didn't want to come off, but the sides really cleaned up. It was pretty dirty. What do you think, Jen? Looks a lot better?
Yeah, a dirty girl.
Yeah. So she's no longer dirty. Scarlett O'Hara is clean up a little bit.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give it.
Soon it will be for auction. Don't forget, got the period correct Ultra, I forget, I mean, I think they're American racing wheels, but you guys told me before and I forgot. So, definitely period correct though, 90s wheels with the Cooper Cobra tires. Going for auction soon. It started the last time. Let's see if it'll start this time. We're gonna try to get it back in the shop. The fan belt was getting destroyed, so Matt's got a face shield on. That's smart. And I'm gonna try to stay away. I do have my sunglasses, but.
Yeah, don't get run over so you can't see.
That's true.
Don't get in front.
And Matt's got his octane there. So let's see how this goes.
Ready? Kill it. You gotta go left so you don't hit Peaches. I know you can't see. That's why I ran her out of gas.
This might not end well. Okay.
All right, so go hard left, okay?
Yeah.
Jump down.
I heard the belt, something went.
Nah, it was a lean back fire through the intake.
Okay.
Yeah, not so much on the gas, a little bit less on the gas.
Is this good or you want
Uh,
further?
this is actually pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna stop this midway to get the thumbnail.
Go forward.
Sorry.
Wow, that idled for a minute.
Yeah, I did. Jen's doing burnouts out here.
Hey, I have Mario Kart experience with the Inky, so.
Right.
Should we push it at this point?
Nah.
Oh man. This is hilarious. Scarlett runs though.
Yeah, man.
Don't hit Matt's FHP, or I guess you can get my SSP out of its misery.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let her have that much gas. Let off the brake, maybe? Feel the key.
I thought it was gonna idle there for a second.
Yeah, it seemed like it was going to.
Yeah. You want to see if it'll idle for a second? If it's out of gear.
Yeah, get it out of gear. I mean, I can keep it idling right here if you want.
Yeah. Sounds pretty good. All right. Well, there you go, guys. I think the next thing is what, a fuel pump, Matt?
Yep.
Good job, Jen. All right, I have no idea how this video is going to turn out. I know I was running around a lot and I didn't even know I was going to do this today. So pretty cool. Again, this car is going to be for auction very soon. In fact, it might already be up already. If it is, check my social media. I've got everything listed down below: Facebook, Twitter. Actually, I don't have Twitter. Instagram, whatever I have, it's down there. I think I even have TikTok. No Twitter though. Anyway, of course the sun comes back out. Hold on. There we go. Next time, stay tuned. We are going to do the fuel pump install on this car, and hopefully Matt won't have to apply the brake cleaner to get it running. So anyway, pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do Foxbody stuff all the time, and I upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you next time here on Gearhead 704. And hopefully Matt won't have to apply the brake cleaner to get it running. So anyway, pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe.